Uria bururi urathie na mbere kunyihia namba ya arwaru wa COVID-19 noguo uteti wa gutabania mogaruruku gatiba-ini ya bururi kuhetukira BBI urathie na mbere gutunganio ngo ugitongorio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga.
Baba hajachoka. Baba hajachoka.
No mwaho wa munini wa President William Ruto wirikanite urethagathaga uria ukaregana na kura ya mawoni na riu mwena wa Ikamba-ini atongoria matiraciaria na miheho.
Kwa hivyo wakileta hiyo kitu ya BBI hapa, mimi Machakos nitakampeni tuangushe.
Kuna haja gani tutumie billions of shillings kutafuta katiba ingine, na ile katiba iko sahihi aheshimu?
Na gitumi kinene marauga ati kuri na maundu ma bata mbeca icio ibangirwo referendum ingihuthika ta kwambatiria miturire ya Kenya makiria riri hathara ya murimu wa COVID-19 igwikite ngongo na ngongo cia bururi.
Ile kitu ya maana tunataka madriver wale wanaweza endesha sheria za inji na wakubali na waheshimu sheria za inji, na hivyo tu ndio tunasema
we need 2 complete years to recover from the effects of COVID. Lakini hatuwezi sasa kutumia pesa kufanya mambo ya siasa at this moment.
Kama ile kitu mnataka kufanya kwa hiyo katiba ingine, si mfanye tu kwa sababu hata hii amheshimu. You can still do it even without a constitution.
Agi marauga kura iyo ya mawoni itanyitwo kuguna andu anaki uteti mwerekera-ini wa githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022 makiuga President arakunyanira munini wake William Ruto.
How do you allow people who lost to lead the country? People bestowed power on you and your Jubilee team. Now, those people who lost, those people who Kenyans did not give majority votes, are the one who are calling the shots.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga augite mbeca cia kurugamirira kura ya mawoni no ciringi bilioni 2 tu, na kiu ti kigina gia kwagagia wonjoria wa bururi gukiringithania na kiguni kia mogaruruku maria megwikika gatiba-ini.
A referendum does not need to cost more than 2 billion Kenya shillings. So you should not be told, oh, we have no money. There's no money to do it. No. There's money to do it.
Ede commissioner wa IEBC Mboya Molu augite kura ya mawoni irabatara kigina gitanyiheire bilioni 10.
Going by the repeat election, referendum will not cost less than 10 billion. I can tell you for a fact, and I heard people saying it cannot be that expensive.
President Uhuru Kenyatta na Odinga matire maramukira riboti ya muthia ya kamiti ya BBI na gutanyitwo ati mamiamukira mugithi wa referendum no kuhurwo shafi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.